Hello friends! Summer always brings challenges to our normal beauty routine in life, so here are a few tips and tricks to use throughout summer to keep looking gorgeous and improve your daily routine. With summer being hot and humid, flyaways can be a pain. With just a toothbrush and hairspray you can tame these annoying flyaways. By spraying a toothbrush with hairspray and combing down your flyaways, they will be out of sight and stay down. No one wants to get razor burn. To avoid razor burn and to get a smoother shave, you need to exfoliate before shaving. Exfoliating before shaving provides you razor with a much smoother surface to glide across for a smoother shave. It happens to the most of us. We either forget to reapply sunscreen or don't put it on enough and bam, we are sunburnt. They are the worst. But an easy trick to take care of one is to freeze aloe vera into little ice cubes. Then you can pop an aloe vera ice cube out and just rub it all over your sunburn, making it so much easier. Here's a trick to get your perfume to last longer. Dab some Vaseline on the areas you will spray perfume. Then after you have applied the Vaseline, you spray on your perfume and it will last longer. I personally love this beach tip. Everyone does not have a waterproof case on their phone, so prevent it from getting wet or sand getting in your phone. Just throw it in a Ziploc baggie. You can still use your phone when it's in the Ziploc, and it will keep it safe. Next time you are at the beach, bring a fitted sheet along. You can use the fitted sheet to keep the sand out, put an object in each of the four corners to keep the sides up, and voila, you have a sand-free area. You are never always around your valuables at the beach, and no one wants them to get stolen. To keep your valuables safe, put them in an empty sunscreen bottle. Deodorant stains are a pain when you get them right before you walk out of the house and have to change. Well, here is an easy way to get them off your clothes. Dryer sheets. All you do is just rub the dryer sheet on the deodorant stains and it disappears like magic. Painting your nails can take forever to dry and then it just chips off in a couple days. But you can make it dry faster and make it last longer. To quick dry nail polish, you can dip your freshly painted nails in a cup of ice water, then reapply a top coat every few days. Wear a wide-brimmed hat or lightweight scarf to cover the shoulder or your head when you feel it's too much sun. Besides, an oversized hat is in trend, so try it. Pick a small crossbody or tate because a backpack or a huge tate can make you feel hotter, and mini purses are a huge trend right now. The less fabric you have actually touching your body, the cooler you will feel. It might seem unbelievable, but a flowing and loose maxi dress will keep you cooler than a clingy tank top and a pair of shorts. The trick is to keep it loose. The looser the better. During summers, it is essential to protect your skin from sun damage as much as possible. So, apart from applying a sunscreen, I suggest investing in a few SPF-infused makeup products too. Doing so gives your skin an extra layer of protection against UV damage. I hope these tips and tricks will be useful to you all.